Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 9, Awakening by Light. He travels the fearless, inexpressible path, body and mind equanimous, liberated within and without, abiding forever in true awareness. He has no attachment, no bondage. The illumined one, whose mind is pure, acts without habituation. With the eye of knowledge reaching everywhere, he greatly aids living beings. One body is infinite, and the infinite too are one. Understanding all the worlds, he manifests forms everywhere. This body comes from nowhere and accumulates nothing either. It is due to beings' discrimination that they see various bodies of Buddha. Mind discriminates worlds, but that mind has no existence. The enlightened know this truth, and thus see the Buddha body. Then the light beams passed 100,000 worlds and illumined 1,000,000 worlds, in each of the 10 directions. In all of those worlds, with 100 billion continents called Jambudvipa and so on, including 100 billion heavens of the ultimate of form, everything in all those realms was clearly revealed. In each of the Jambudvipa continents, the Buddha was seen sitting on a lotus-banked lion throne, surrounded by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, and in each one, due to the spiritual force of the Buddha, 10 great enlightened beings from the 10 directions, each accompanied by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, came to the Buddha. Those enlightening beings were called Manjushri, etc. The lands they came from were called golden, etc., and the Buddhas they served were called immutable knowledge, etc. Then the Manjushris in all those places, each in the presence of the Buddha in that place, all simultaneously spoke out, saying these verses: The enlightened one, most free, transcending the world, relying on nothing, replete with all virtues, liberates creatures from all states of being. Unaffected, unattached, without conceptions, resting nowhere, substance and essence immeasurable. Those who see all praise, light, pervasive, clear and pure, clearing away mundane afflictions, immutable, beyond extremes. This is enlightened knowledge.